Welcome back, friend, again with loss function. So in our last session, we have a little bit idea about basic loss functions. Uh, so in that last session, we know about this function, but let's have a better look on this function and further workings. So here, the constant half basically makes no real difference, but will prove notationally convenient, cancelling out when we take the derivative of the loss. Since the training data set is given to us and thus out of our control, the empirical error is only a function of the model parameters. So if you are thinking of what is empirical error, so let's have a quick idea. So the empirical error is also sometimes called generalization error. The reason is that actually in most of the problems we don't have access to the whole domain X of inputs, but only our training subset S. So basically, we want to generalize. We want to generalize based on S. Also, it's called as inducive learning. So this is all about the the uh, the empirical error that we are discussing very briefly. Okay. Now, to make things more concrete, consider the example here where we plot a regression problem for a one-dimensional case. Here, note that the large differences between the estimates, that is y cap I, and the observation yi lead to even large contribution to the loss due to quadratic dependence. To measure the quality of a model on the entire dataset of n examples, we can simply average or equivalently sum up the losses on the training dataset. So this is the statistical formula where you can see that we are basically averaging the total sum of the data points basically. So when the training is going on, basically what I say that when we are going to train the model, we want to find parameters, that is basically W star and B star, that minimize the total loss across all training examples. So this is the another statistical calculation where we need this thing for this loss function. So this is all for this loss function. In the coming session, we will learn about analytic solutions. That what is analytic solution? So these are so what is the idea behind sharing this short videos? We basically to briefly and understand that what is the logic and what is the basic understanding of the part of entire linear neural network is. So once you have a very basic high level idea about all these things, then we are going to introduce linear neural network as a whole. Okay, so thanks guys, stay tuned and let's uh, meet with you guys in my next session. Thanks. Bye bye.